Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PlayStation 5 to an Elgato 4K60 Pro. To begin, gather your Elgato 4K60 Pro capture card, your PlayStation 5 console, and all required cables. This includes 2 high-definition multimedia interface cables and 1 universal serial bus cable. Make sure your Elgato card is securely installed in a compatible peripheral component interconnect express slot within your personal computer. This foundational setup ensures all components are ready for seamless integration and high-quality game capture. Next, let's handle the essential high-definition multimedia interface connections. Take 1 high-definition multimedia interface cable and connect it from the high-definition multimedia interface out port on your PlayStation 5 directly to the high-definition multimedia interface in port on your Elgato 4K60 Pro. Then, use the second high-definition multimedia interface cable to connect the high-definition multimedia interface out port on your Elgato card to the high-definition multimedia interface input on your television or monitor. This creates a pass-through, allowing you to play while the Elgato captures. With the physical connections complete, it's time for the software setup. First, download and install the latest Elgato 4K capture utility software onto your computer. Once installed, launch the application and select your Elgato 4K60 Pro as the primary input device. Within the utility, you can fine-tune your capture settings, such as selecting your desired resolution, frame rate, and enabling or disabling high dynamic range. This ensures your recordings match your preferred visual quality. Finally, we need to adjust a few critical settings on your PlayStation 5. Navigate to the System Settings menu on your console. The most important step here is to disable High Bandwidth Digital Content Protection, or HDCP, to allow capture. Also, ensure your PlayStation 5's video output resolution matches the resolution you intend to capture in the Elgato software. If you are capturing high dynamic range content, verify those settings are correctly configured on your console for optimal results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.